to our empty apartment. So we're gonna have a quick empty apartment tour, but starting off, as soon as you walk in, you are in like the living room, kitchen, common space. So over on this side, we have the coat closet, and we use this for storage mainly. So y'all see. Yeah, this thing is pretty huge. And now this way, this is the kitchen area, as you guys can see. Good cabinet space, tall. You guys see how short I am? I can't even reach. Dishwasher right here, stainless steel appliances, basic apartment, kitchen, you know, my area, fridge. Pretty empty. And then the dining table would normally be here, right, babe?
Mm-hmm.
The dining table should be here, right? According to the layout?
Yes.
Yeah, so this is where the dining table should be. And then this is the living area. I apologize if it's dark, but here's the living area. We had our couch over here and our TV on this wall. And you guys have seen it. If you want to see this place furnished, go watch my cleaning with me videos. But come this way, come. So, right in here, we have the bathroom. It's a stand-up shower, so no bathtub. And then sink area. And we would just put our like towels. I have my makeup in here. Yeah, pretty basic.
Don't mind me in your video.
I want. And then have like more cabinet space. Then moving over here. Oops, found a pen. We have the laundry / water heater closet. It's the stackable laundry. Not my favorite, but it got the job done until it started leaking, like right before we had to move out. So, and then lastly is the bedroom. And I do apologize if it's dark, but this is the bedroom. Right here, we fit our queen size bed in here, and we still have a good amount of space. And then lastly is the walk-in closet. This walk-in closet is huge, guys. And yeah, this was more than enough for my husband and I. We didn't even fill this up. Like that whole back was pretty much empty. And now come back. So that is it for this apartment tour. This is a luxury style apartment in Milwaukee. So if you wanted to ever move out here, you want something like this, just get ready to spend about $1,300 to $1,400 for this apartment. It's due to the area. This is an up and coming, like, hipstery area. I hope you guys enjoyed this apartment tour. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. back up a bit. So you do like empty and perfect. Up. So then this way.
This is the best light.